Let's add the digits at one's place. 7 and 5. It becomes 12.
Hello superstars! Welcome to Wiggly Wise, where learning is full of fun, surprises and smiles. So, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Professor Panda, your fun maths teacher, and they are my two little helpers, Max and Lily.
And today they are going on a special mission to discover the magic of carry addition. So, get ready for a fun adventure.
Alright, superstars, let's solve our very first carry addition question. Look carefully, we have 27 plus 15. Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest magic trick. We'll start with adding ones. First, let's add the digits at one's place. 7 and 5. It becomes 12. So we write 2 here.
But wait, where did the 1 go?
It's magic time. 12 ones will transform into 10 ones and 2 ones, where 10 little ones are ready to become one big 10. The other 2 ones will stay right here. Now let's send our brand new 10 to the 10's place, using our magical bamboo elevator. That's our special carry. Let's see where it goes.
Got it. 1 is going to the 10's family as a carry.
Now it's time to add digits at 10's place. Look carefully at the board. 27 has 2 10s. 15 has 1 10. And don't forget our special guest, the 1 extra 10 that came from the carry. 2 10s plus 1 10 plus 1 more carried 10. Adding them all we get 4 10s. So, 4 10s and 2 1s become 42.
So, the final answer is 42. Wanna dance?
Each baby is alert and awake. Every baby's got a rattle to shake. Ooh, let's do the bip bop and clack the blocks and shout.
Yeah, from your high chair.
Got the crib crew shaking it up. One sipping from their sippy cup. Giggle, snap, milk splash, baby rock. Go crazy with the goo-goo drop. Giggle, snap, milk splash, baby rock. Baby, can you do the goo-goo drop? Ooh.
That was amazing. Wait, it's not over.
Now it's your turn, so get ready. Okay, can you solve this before I do? Let's see who's the fastest. Well done, my champions, you got it right. Yes, it's 64. Thank you for learning, laughing, dancing, and exploring maths with us today. Subscribe to join our Superstars family and explore the next magical adventure. Bye and have fun with numbers.